बातें, कही अनकही बातें, कही अनकही बातें। ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों नहीं।
हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कहीं अनकही बातें, ऐसा क्यों नहीं, ओनली ऑन रेडियो जामिया 90.4 एफएम। ये शो आप तक पहुंच रहा है रेडियो जामिया और क्रिया के कोलैबोरेशन से, जिसका मकसद है ऐसे मुद्दों पर बात करना जो महिलाओं की पोजीशन और स्टेटस को समाज में, कम्युनिटी में और देश भर में मजबूत करे, बिना किसी जेंडर बायस।
मैं शालिनी और मैं प्रिया के साथ काम करती हूँ। पिछले एपिसोड में आप सभी ने काफी अहम मुद्दे के बारे में हमसे सुना, वो है मेंटल हेल्थ। हमने बताया था कि एक नहीं अनेक लोग और अनेक संस्थाएं भी इस इश्यूज पे काम कर रही हैं और उन्हीं में से कुछ लोगों को, कुछ संस्थाओं को हम ला रहे हैं इस एपिसोड में, इस रेडियो जामिया के कार्यक्रम में। उनसे जानने की कोशिश करते हैं उनके काम के बारे में और वो मेंटल हेल्थ के मुद्दे को कैसे देखते हैं। हमारे साथ पिछले सप्ताह जुड़ी थी अपर्णा सान्याल, जो रेड डोर इंडिया की फाउंडर और डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर भी हैं। रेड डोर फाउंडेशन मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के मुद्दे पर काम करता है और अपर्णा काफी समय से यंग लोगों के साथ मेंटल हेल्थ और रेजिलियंस के मुद्दों को लेकर काम करती हैं। आइए उनसे हम सुनते हैं रेड डोर और उनके यूनिक काम के बारे में। अपर्णा से फिर से हम एक्चुअली जानेंगे कि मेंटल हेल्थ पर और क्या क्या इश्यूज हैं। हाय अपर्णा, वेलकम वंस अगेन टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ कही अनकही बातें, ऐसा क्यों नहीं। अपर्णा, आज हमें आप ये बताइए, व्हाई डू पीपल थिंक और फील अनकंफर्टेबल? व्हाई इज इट दैट फीलिंग अनकंफर्टेबल worries us so much?
So let's sort of get back to why we're feeling them, right? I mean, if we are to come back to our, the red door definition, which is that, you've just outgrown some part of your life, right? So some part of that framework that we all have for life basically means that we've outgrown the framework, right? We need to create a new framework of life to now account for these new emotions that we're carrying or these new experiences that we've had, because that old framework is no longer enough to explain our experiences of life. So then there are a few things to do, like you can just tick them off a list in a way. So the first thing is to try and figure out whether what you're feeling is because of structures that are exclusionary in nature, in a way such that it begins to make you uncomfortable.
Thanks, Aparna. This is really interesting. Can you share some examples for us to better understand this?
So a very simple sort of example is something like discrimination or bigotry. You've come from a smaller town and you've come into a big town, right? So the culture shock that you experience, all of these things lead us to feel uncomfortable.
But what if discrimination is not a problem? What if there are other factors?
So then again, we have to understand that there is again nothing wrong with us per se. Supposing you've been through that and you're like, no, everybody's quite supportive. I don't have any of these issues. This is, say I'm queer and this is an LGBTQ safe space or a friendly space. So then it's like, okay, so there is something else that is eating away at me, right?
Thanks, Aparna. Absolutely acknowledging how trauma can cause series of issues related to stress and mental health disturbances. And thanks for sharing how to address such traumas also. What is the other way possibility, Aparna? What is this next factor which causes this stress?
Whatever your imagination for yourself was, perhaps you have outgrown that. Say your peers, maybe you've outgrown a lot of the things that you thought that had perhaps been drilled into you as being important, right? Maybe you've outgrown those things. So a lot of things that, for instance, we unconsciously pick up from, our communities, our families, your spirit is telling you to explore a bit more because, all that you're doing so far and have done thus far isn't working for you any longer. It's really an invitation, like I mentioned earlier, from life to figure out what is it that you now need to do.
Aparna, I am understanding what you were saying, but what does this outgrowing means? जिन्होंने अभी शुरुआत की है अपने करियर की, उनके लिए इसका क्या मतलब है? Can you share a little bit more about this issue with an example?
Maybe you've outgrown, your own understanding of life. When you were growing up, you were like, okay, I just need to get through. I mean, just as an example, I'm saying maybe your understanding was that, okay, I need to get through school and then I need to get into a good college. And once I do that, I'll get a job and then my life is set. Maybe that's the framework that you had created for yourself. But now suddenly when you're in college and, it's time to pick up a job, maybe you're filled with a sense of dissatisfaction. And you're like, really, I worked so hard. I studied so hard to get this job. I mean, is this what I'm worth? Is this the best I can do? It's unfortunate that that becomes a mental health problem for many people. It's actually not a mental health problem. It's actually the beginning of a really exciting time to figure out what it is that is your purpose, to, create a life of significance and meaning.
कहीं अनकही बातें, कहीं अनकही बातें, कहीं अनकही बातें, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों नहीं.
Hi Aparna, welcome once again to another episode of कही अनकही बातें, ऐसा क्यों नहीं. अपर्णा सान्याल जो रेड डोर इंडिया की फाउंडर और डॉक्यूमेंट्री फिल्म मेकर भी हैं। रेड डोर फाउंडेशन मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के मुद्दे पर काम करता है।
If there's one thing that we really believe in at the Red Door, it is that each one of us has immense potential. And the challenge really is, how do we reach that potential that sometimes we say about ourselves? How do we break through all that clutter and really find the things that make life meaningful for us? That's a great journey to be on. Now, one of the easier ways to sort of figure that out is to actually put yourself through different kinds of experiences and positive experiences, which can reveal different aspects of your personality to you. Things like getting into workshops, exploring art, drama, storytelling, dance, traveling, volunteering, picking up a hobby, picking up exercise. The British Psychological Society has now said that, the first line of defense against depression needs to be exercise. You go out for that walk, you pick up some exercise, because that naturally releases dopamine. The other thing to also think about is, are you eating the right kind of food? In fact, there's this psychiatrist who very kindly comes and takes sessions for some of our fellowships. She first gets blood work done to figure out if there are any nutritional deficiencies. Then she finds out what kind of a diet the person is on. She's an integrative psychiatrist, so then, she'll make recommendations on diet. The next thing is to look at the kind of toxins that are surrounding you. She sort of ticks off on many, many things before she even begins to think of whether or not it's a medical issue, right?
Thanks, Aparna, for sharing with us such an important real-life examples. What causes distress, what causes disturbance, and what causes difficult situations? How do we navigate across these difficult situations is something that all of us are learning every day. I don't know, जब हम young थे, मैं जब कॉलेज में पढ़ती थी, तो इस तरह के issues आते थे, तो हम किससे और किस तरह से बात करते थे. But thank God, right now, we have lot of people and organizations to talk about these issues. Perhaps we cannot find a solution to all mental health conditions here, but what we can definitely do is to create an environment for each other to sustain and survive in the best possible manner. Thanks, Aparna, for sharing with us such an important real-life examples. What causes distress, what causes disturbance, and what causes difficult situations? How do we navigate across these difficult situations is something that all of us are learning every day. I don't know, जब हम young थे, मैं जब कॉलेज में पढ़ती थी, तो इस तरह के issues आते थे, तो हम किससे और किस तरह से बात करते थे. But thank God, right now, we have lot of people and organizations to talk about these issues. Perhaps we cannot find a solution to all mental health conditions here, but what we can definitely do is to create an environment for each other to sustain and survive in the best possible manner. अगर आप मेंटल हेल्थ को लेकर हमारे साथ कुछ शेयर करना चाहते हैं या कुछ और सवाल हैं आपके, तो आप हमें लिखना ना भूलें kriya@kriyaworld.org.
अगले हफ्ते आपसे फिर मिलेंगे महिलाओं से जुड़ी एक नई सोच, एक नई चर्चा को लेकर कहीं अनकही बातें ऐसा क्यों नहीं में।
कहीं अनकही बातें, कहीं अनकही बातें, कहीं अनकही बातें, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों, ऐसा क्यों नहीं.